Understand the Clothesline is a beautiful poem full of imagery and poetic devices by Charlotte Druitt Cole. Stanza 1. Hand in hand, they dance in a row. The clothes hanging on the line look as if they are holding hands and dancing together in a line. This is personification. Clothes are described like people. Hither and thither and to and fro, they move here and there because of the wind. These phrases mean back and forth. Flit, flap, flop, and away they go. These words show the sound and movement of clothes flapping in the wind. This is onomatopoeia. Sound words. Fluttering creatures as white as snow. The clothes are compared to white flying creatures. As white as snow is a simile. Stanza 2. Like restive horses, they caper and prance. The clothes are compared to excited horses jumping and dancing. Another simile, like horses. Like fairy tale witches, they wildly dance. They are also compared to witches dancing wildly in stories. Shows imagination and movement, rounded in front, but hollow behind. The clothes puff up in the front when wind fills them, but the back remains empty. They shiver and skip in the merry March wind. The clothes shake and jump in the cheerful wind of March. Merry March is alliteration. Same starting sound. Stanza 3. One I saw dancing excitedly. The poet notices one cloth moving very fast and excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. That cloth moves so much that it comes loose from the peg. Again, personification, cloth called she. Then, leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, it leaves the clothesline and pegs behind. She flew like a bird and no one could find her. The cloth flies away like a bird. Like a bird is a simile. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun. The cloth shines brightly in sunlight like a boat sail. Another simile, like a sail, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. The cloth keeps moving freely in the wind. Flipping, flapping, flopping is alliteration sound effect shows playful movement. Main idea of the poem. The poem describes clothes hanging on a clothesline as if they are dancing happily in the wind. Through imagination and poetic devices, the poet makes ordinary clothes look lively and playful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Dilla Teacher. If you need a summary, comment down below.